Good morning! Today I am moving to the Netherlands. Hello everybody and welcome! Join me on my adventure to moving abroad for my studies. Let's go!
Heading off to the Netherlands.
Hi, my name is Paul from Berlin, Germany, and for my bachelor's I decided to study abroad. I've just arrived and obviously we are in the Netherlands. It has to rain, but I've got the big pack on my back and the big suitcase here, so we are good to go. So according to Google Maps I have 11 minutes to go until I'm meeting my new house. I don't know actually at all who will be living there, but let's see. This is my room and I will be living in this house with 5 other people. We share the bathroom and the kitchen. My house is really chill, we get along well, and one of my housemates actually showed me around the city a little bit. Vor der Tür. Why did I come here in the first place? It's because there's great education, the study is in English, you can have a very active student life. There's a huge campus with many facilities and so many associations to join. We have people from 85 different nationalities. EU students pay an affordable tuition fee, the Netherlands are close to Germany, this is a good technical university where you are treated as an individual, and all of that in a very cozy city. But back to my first days coming here. Before the start of the academic year, students of the university organize an introduction week called Kick-In, where you get to know fellow students of your study, do fun activities on campus, get a chance to join fraternities, and of course go party together. Cheers! But because there's still a global pandemic, this was mostly done online. Nevertheless, when I arrived I had 3 days before academics would start, and so I went to check out the university myself. So I found this house already 5 times maybe, so I was cruising around the city instead of going to university where I intended to go, but look at the sign. Universiteit. Great. The University of Twente is the only American-style campus university in the Netherlands, meaning we have got everything in one place. Lecture halls, labs, the library, endless study places, the health office, cafeterias, a hotel, the sports center with a fitness center, many gyms, an indoor and outdoor swimming pool, a running track, grass pitches, shops. Students even live here on campus. All of this is located in a forest. I know that there's so much more on campus, but those are things I have yet to explore, plus many faculties are closed for corona reasons. There were a few things to organize when I arrived. Done. The health insurance that I tried to sign up for now. Mensis. Closed.
Al onze medewerkers zijn in gesprek. Een ogenblik geduld alstublieft. Good morning.
Good morning, do you speak English?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, great. Apparently they need a different form for my health insurance. Good morning! Today is the first day of my university and I'm pretty excited. It starts at 11 luckily. I can actually show you my schedule. We start at 11 today, but tomorrow we start at 9 and then 9 again. So this is the only time I'm going to university today, and after that I will do some sports tryouts, Kronos running and stretches multisports. I'm heading out for my first day of uni and also the only physical one this week. That was fun.
I think I have a problem. I think I have to say.
So I study computer science. In the first quarter we will study a new branch of computer science every week. The workload in the beginning is insane. I literally cannot wait for this module to be over. I'm busy as hell. And although there are fun moments, you need to study so much as there's a test every week. Additionally, we have an assignment every week on which we work with a randomly drawn partner. On top of that, I have to pass Introduction to Math, Calculus 1A and Academic Skills. Good morning. Today is the day of the math exam. I've studied quite a lot, but you know, you can always study more and I honestly just want to pass. So it turns out I did not do very well on the math exam, but I need to compensate for Introduction to Math by scoring better on Calculus 1A, because those two grades are merged. Other than that, the tests about computer science that I took so far went very well actually, and I passed all of them with a good grade, plus I passed the assignments. So at this sports club we try out different sports every week. Also, I love to play Ultimate Frisbee and I found a group where we will try to found our own association. Guess who's visiting me today? My good old friend Martin. I'm excited.
Oh, there are you?
How are you doing?
I like this tape setup. Yes.
Barbecue was yummy, it was yummy. And good Spanish music. I was quite nervous about coming to this new environment, but I felt very much welcomed. So if you want to leave the bubble of your hometown, I definitely recommend to go abroad for your studies. Go out and do something.